Welcome to TrueField History, the powerful tool for tracking changes in Salesforce. By choosing TrueField History, you gain unlimited tracking for any objects and fields, with no restrictions like in Salesforce's standard field history tracker. You'll also receive complete details for every change, including the date, time, and user who made the update. TrueField History is intuitive and designed with useful features, such as advanced filtering and the ability to restore fields to previous states. In the TrueField History configuration window, you can choose to track any object in Salesforce, and within each object, you can select either all fields or specific fields you want to monitor. Now, let's make some changes on the Objects page to see how TrueField History works. The app will capture changes only for the selected objects and fields. To view the most recent changes, simply click the refresh button and the latest data will appear instantly. If there are more than 10 records, use the next and previous buttons to navigate through all entries. You'll see all the details you need: field name, field API name, old value, new value, who made the change, and when it happened. You can filter changes by field name, API name, user, or a custom date range using the filters at the top of the page. By default, the application displays changes from the last 7 days. However, you can easily expand the date range by adjusting the start date and end date in the filters, allowing you to view changes over any period you prefer. And if you ever need to restore a field to a previous state, simply select the change you want to revert to and click rollback. It's that easy. If you've been using Salesforce's standard field history tracker, you can easily migrate that data into TrueField History without losing any information. In the migration window, simply choose the objects and fields you want to migrate and click the Migrate button. TrueField History will seamlessly transfer your data, ensuring no history is lost. From there, you can continue tracking changes with complete visibility and control. This was an overview of all the powerful features of TrueField History. Start tracking changes today. Just download our app on the App Exchange. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to us via email. Our team is always here to help. Thank you.